Hello everyone, welcome back to Spora YouTube channel. You know guys that your Android device allows you an impressive amount of customization. And I'm not just talking about ringtone and background image, but you can change the size of the font used in menus, web search, and as you compose an email or text. This is great if you regularly find your device text too small to read. And changing the font size on your Android device should only take you a moment. So now I'm gonna show you how to change the font size on your Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, first thing first, go to settings menu. And then scroll down. And then go to display and brightness. And then a little bit scroll down. And you can go to font size. Alright, now you can customize your font size about too small or too large or medium. And the font size will automatically change if you change this one. Alright, this is the way how to change the font size on Infinix GT10 Pro, and thank you so much for watching.